we're in this museum in Fort Collins.
Museum of Architecture, I believe.
Yeah,
So
MOA.
there's a couple different things you
The Museum of Art.
can art.
Yeah, Museum of Art building it's called.
Oh.
What is this thing on the roof?
I don't know. It's odd.
I can't tell. There's elevators here.
An old Otis, yeah.
It's got a very recent mod, or a pretty recent mod, because it has
older
the
ThyssenKrupp chime, so it had been more than a couple of years ago.
3D sensors.
Yeah.
Has an interesting version. I don't think I've seen that before. Look at that.
We've got VR ThyssenKrupp. I don't know this PL. And I should have waited until the door closed first time. I don't know how that picture came out. I don't know if there's anything. I think PL means parking lot. Oh no, yeah, this is the title for it.
Oh, that's a restaurant.
Yeah, this is the restaurant. That's cool.
All right, back up.
See if we can go to 3. We can go to 3. This is hard to see. So this is also a different place.
This looks like, oh, sorry. We're on the wrong floor.
Yes, do you want to go back?
You want to go 2?
Sure, we can just go to 2.
That was a tattoo shop.
Huh. So there's like different stores and stuff.
Yeah.
So where's the rest of the museum? This one?
Presumably here.
Okay.
That's a kiddos area. And anyway, there goes that. That's it.